Hey YouTube, I'm going to give you my fix for my squealing belt tensioner here. This is a Maytag dryer that was new in about 2013. I think the first one of these belt tensioners that I put on there lasted about 2 years. This is the brand new one that I figured I would need to put on there, but the old wheel here in this shaft wasn't particularly worn that I could tell. It was basically tight. It was just unable to retain the grease, and it was squealing constantly as soon as the dryer warmed up. So I had ordered this $40 maintenance kit for this dryer. It has all the wheels and a new belt, but same deal. Those bushings were pretty tight and they were just dry and they would not stay lubricated. Here's my fix. I put some of this brake caliper grease that I bought for about $2 at AutoZone. These little packages are by the register when you're checking out, and I thought, what the heck, maybe it'll work. Here's a different brand of it, but basically when you take the drum apart and you put the you take that tensioner off from this back side here and take that shaft apart, grease it good, put it back on there. I greased my wheels that are on for the drum, those rollers, and that grease is really sticky, and it's made for like 600-degree applications, so it doesn't melt and flow out of there and end up dry. So it's been about a month since I put this fix in there, and I'm pretty happy with it so far, so I hope this works for you too.